Hey guys, I am back and I am working on the bench again. So I got these at Lowe's. They were originally just wood and they got the little threaded post. So these are going to be my legs. They're about 6 inches. So they had like a little plate that had a part that screw into this, but they were pretty expensive. They were way more expensive than the actual legs were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these nuts, which are the same size to thread onto the bolt that's on there, and I'm going to try to inset them into the bench. So I'm not totally sure how I'm going to do this yet, so I guess we're just going to figure out as we go. So keep watching. Alright guys, so what I'm doing, I drilled 2 holes. One hole about the size of this, right here. And the other one is, I want to say it's like, probably like 7/16 half inch. So it's a little bit smaller than these nuts. And what I'm doing now is I'm just taking my utility knife and I'm just carving out the edges. So it's about the exact same size as this. Alright guys, so now all I'm doing is I'm just tapping these nuts right into the wood. I was gonna resin these in, but it kind of seems like I got a pretty good fit. So I'm actually just making the holes a little bit smaller so when I force them in with the hammer, it will just stay put. So. So now, I'm going to take the legs. Now they should just screw right in. Alright guys, so this is what we got. It's about, I want to say, almost 2 feet high now, not counting the back. So it's a lot better of a height for me at least. I mean, for someone taller it would be kind of crappy, but I think it looks pretty good. So you can't see where I cut the fabric out on the bottom, which is good. That's what I figured. So I have them a little set a little differently. So I have them inset about 2 inches on the front, because that's the look I was going for. On the back, I did about 1.5 inches. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want, and I will see you next time. Thanks.